And now the next step is really to push this up. And so we use our Python SDK for pushing our local changes from our local file system up to the Nextmv cloud. And the way we do that is by creating a client using our Nextmv API key, which I have stored as an environment variable, and then instantiating the app that we want to push to, and then running an app.push. And so I can do that now. Let me just save my changes. And so I can run Python push.py. And so what this is doing is it's pushing our local code up into the Nextmv cloud environment. And this may not seem like a huge thing, but it really does streamline the modeling and deployment process and allows those decision modelers who prefer to stay in their Python environment, stay there. We also still have the Nextmv CLI, which is always there for those who prefer that experience of deploying their code. But this is a new addition and very nice for Python users.